Greetings from Lidingö, and it's time for yet another beach adventure with Kris. Yes, this is the channel where you can see different beaches from Stockholm, Sweden, my hometown, but also from around the world from my travels. Now we have 4 degrees Celsius in the air currently on this 23rd of November. Wonderful sunny Sunday. Quite warmer than the previous baths that you have seen that were with snow and ice. It seems that all the snow has disappeared now from, at least from this part of the city, as Lidingö is one of the, it's not part of the central part of the city, but it's just across the bridge, Lidingö bridge from Ropsten, where the red line ends on the northbound. Yeah, it's a quite nice place, and I have been here few days this summer, and it's so amazing that yesterday when I started to walk from my home it was snow, and now there is no sign of it. It seems that the wind and the plus degrees have melted it all. We're gonna see if some of the smaller lakes in the south part of the city next week are still frozen. This is the Baltic Sea, so it takes a lot more than few days with minus degrees to be frozen. So yeah, and hello to all my new followers and subscribers that I have gotten in the past few days from my shorts that were trending when I did the ice baths and the winter baths. So you're in for a treat. Now let's get into speedos and going for a dip here in Lidingö, Stockholm. Let's go! And Kris is ready for today's sunny Sunday beach adventure from Lidingö. And let's get going and check the temperature right away, which I think it's gonna be very cold indeed, but maybe not as cold as the lakes, as bear in mind this is the Baltic Sea and it gets a lot more for it to get colder for sure. So I'm guessing around 5 degrees Celsius, but we are yet to see. And we have a wonderful view here. On the other side we can see Norra Djurgårdsstaden and Norra Djurgården, as well as all the way to Universitetet and Lapis. Okay, what does the thermometer says? 7 degrees Celsius. 7 degrees Celsius. So the temperature is pretty much like in Lake Mälaren, where I did a swim a few days ago. Obviously it's a it's a larger water area, so it's definitely warmer. That's cool. 4 in the air, 7 in the sea, which means it's time for Kris to go in for a nice dip. So are you ready? Because I'm definitely am. Okay, ready, set, and okay, I'm going slowly. I'm going slowly, but we are then ready. It was a lot colder than 7 degrees Celsius, but I made it. One more beach adventure in the books. Today is actually beach day 158 in the Sweden beach adventures, and it feels absolutely amazing. Beautiful and refreshing. I love it. 23rd of November, who would have thought? But that's how it is in the Baltic Sea in Stockholm, Sweden, Lidingö. It's so amazing and so nice. I love it. So, that is a wrap for now, and now it's time for me to get dressed and enjoy the beautiful Sunday here in Lidingö and Stockholm. Cool, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to tune in for more beach adventures soon on my channel that is called Beach Adventures with Kris.